You have this amazing experience from a local activity provider and you want to use it in Giggle and communicate it to your guests. But the local activity provider wants direct bookings on his website. Or maybe you have your favorite spa activity planning tool and you want to connect it with Giggle. Well, in both cases, work with our external booking buttons. Let's take culinary craft tours as an example. So if I, as a host, want to promote that Chin experience to my guests, all I have to do is go to the respective page, ideally with the local booking form of my partner, copy that link, go into my Giggle CMS and select the experience with the external booking functionality. And by making it actually bookable, we can, in this case, ignore everything else if we want, since we're going to use here in the optional settings the external booking function. So as soon as I will activate it, Giggle will ask me if I really want to do that, since I will take traffic away to a third party. But in this case, it's very useful. So I'm going to paste in here the booking link of my local partner. I'm going to click on done. We can even see we have set up a calling option as well, so that will also work together with the booking form if you want. I click on done, I save my experience, and we can quickly check that, open it, and you will see that here we go. We have an external booking button as well as a call option, and make this experience directly bookable on the locals partners page.